All right, so let's go, right? Sorry, guys, because I'm having a little sore throat today. I'm not sure why. If my voice is a little bit here and there, and you got to accept that, okay? Bear it, okay? So, second thing, why Santha indicator? Why you need to follow my indicator? Number one, as you see, like more than I think some of you even like following me for months, some of you even following me for weeks and everything, right? So if you look at it, I've given a signal and most of the signals hit my TP. As I said, I have a proven record as you see it every day. Am I right? Second, I am giving you consistent profitability. You will take your profit every day if you follow my SOP. How to follow my SOP? Don't worry, I will share with you guys today, right? And the third one, as you said, there is always a accurate signal. And the fourth one is educational contents. You may ask, during now in my public signals, there are no much educations. But why? Because I don't want to share my education to everyone. Those who are not keen, those who are not really interested, those who don't have passion on trading. That's why I call you for the Zoom meeting where I wanted to create a small circle who will trade with me. This small circle will be trading with me and we will grow together, right? When I have my profits, you will have your profits. As you see, I'm getting profit every day. So think when you have your profit every day, right? And of course, if you look at my indicator, later I will share with you guys how my indicator looks like and how to use my indicator. And that is very, very, very user-friendly, which took me almost 8 years to complete my own indicator, right? And the last one, of course, I always take care of your account, meaning I don't want you to lose. In trading, in Forex, I never say and I won't say that you will get profit every day. There is no way. None of in this world who will get profit 100 of 100. No. Even if you look at my channel, my signals, there are some losses. But the thing is how we overcome the losses and how we make profits. And I always say to my students, you must know where to exit. You must know where to entry. That is very, very, very important in trading. So far clear, guys? If clear, press 1 now. Are you clear? That's great. That's great. Great, great, great. Nice. I think there are still a few people are waiting for us. Okay, let me allow them. Okay, right. Next. Okay, this is very, very important. Where no matter you are zero knowledge in Forex, you are newbie. Newbie stands for who knows here and there. Heard about Forex, they know about Forex, they don't know about trading. Okay, people talk this and that, but always feel worried to trade. That's what we call as a newbie. And the last one, a seasoned trader who already started to trade at least 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but not making profit consistently. I think all of you must have this experience where you've been trading for many years, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, but you never get your profits consistently. Why? No worries. Stay with me. I will guide you guys. Okay, I think my class, my Zoom session is recorded. So after our Zoom session today, I will share it in our Telegram group, not in public, but I will share in my VIP groups. Okay, so next. All right. We go for next. How many of y'all know what is Forex? If you know about Forex, press 1. If you don't know about Forex, press 2. Can I have it? All right. We have a mix. We have a mix crowd here. Some say they know, some say they don't know. Fine. Simple. What is Forex? What is Forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange currency, right? So what is Forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange currency. The short form for the Forex is FX. That's why when I created my own channel, I put it as a Santha Indicator. I cannot be putting Santha Indicator. It's too long, right? So I put it in a short form, which is Santha Indicator FX. Right. As you know, what is Forex? The world, I don't say India, it's like in the world economics runs within the Forex trading. It's no matter Forex, crypto, or Bitcoin, or whatever. The world economics runs under Forex trading or trading. Why it is called Forex? Because it involves each country's currencies. What determines the value of the country? The currency rate. And we are trading the currencies. Right? As example, another simple example I can give it to you for the newbie. When you wanted to go to overseas, example, you want to go for US, you want to go for UK or anywhere. So when you go, before you go, what you do? You will go to the money changer and change your money. You change your rupees to US dollar, or you change your rupees into European pounds. Am I right? So what do you do? How they survive? They dealing with the physical money, but we are dealing with online. That simple is that. Because the world go on e-commerce. The world depending on e-commerce. There is no more, like last time we have meetings, we have to go there, like example, we have to go from north to south, 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers, you have to drive all the way down for 2 hours meeting and come back. But now what happens? Even now, another example, I even can contact you, I can talk to you, I can interact with you, the guys from India from here. I can give you education, I can give you a guidance. I'm sitting down here, but I can give you everything within the seconds. Right? So the world are into e-commerce. That's why the Forex trading is very, very important. And we are in very, very early stage. If you look at India, I'm telling these are very, very early stage where when you will start your trade, when you will start to make money from trade, believe me, I assure you, within few years, you will be a millionaire. I was nothing 10 years ago. As you know now, how much I'm earning, how is my lifestyle, everything changed. I was a general manager for the very, very reputed company in Malaysia. I used to work for UK, I used to work for India. and I used to work for Sweden. But I quit the job and do my trading full time. Why? What makes me to do Forex online? What makes me to do trading online? Because I can earn 100 times more than what I was earning there. Even though you can be a manager, you can be a general manager, you can be a whoever it is, but you still get your salary. Am I right? You still earn your salary. I never earn my salary. As I said, I print my own USD. I decide my income, how much I want it for today. I take that money today. And I want you guys to do the same, earn the same, be with me. You will be a millionaire one day. Right? So another information that I can share with you guys, the Forex market is open 24 hours and 5 days in a week, which is Monday to Friday. Weekends, Saturday and Sunday, if you realize, I go holiday. Every week I go holiday. I spend my quality time with my family. I spend my quality time with my friends. I don't trade because Friday is my last day of trading, and Saturday, Sunday, the day is for me and for my family and friends. Right? So I know most of you have the same feelings, which is you work so hard, you do everything, you try to save money, but end of the day, you can't do that. You can't save a single cent. You try to save over 10,000 rupees. The next day, you will have something to spend 10,000 rupees. Am I right? So I'm here to help you to earn your additional income. I never say tomorrow you will be the millionaire. No, it took me many years for me to sit here and teach you. But I can assure you, I have created a very good shortcut for you guys where I cut 8 years of my, my hard work to you. Simple as that. Right? So back to Forex. What is Forex? What I said, the market open 24 hours, and Forex market has its own time zone, which means within the certain time period, certain currencies will be very active. Like we have UK session, we have China, we have US, and of course we have Asian timing. So, but the most favorite session for most of the traders is US session. If you realize, even myself, I will be trading during UK session and also US session, where the candlesticks, the charts will move volatilely, and we will get the strategy very accurate during that time. Right? As you know, earlier I said, the world involved with trading economics, trading money and everything involved all this, right? As you know, in a day, 6.6 trillion, not million, not billion, trillion USD, right? 6.6 trillion USD being transact each day in this Forex world, right? So far clear about this. We have so many things, exciting things to come in the next slides. Is it all okay? Good. Okay, let's go. Guys, give me a minute. Hey guys, please, I'm here to share my experience. I'm here to help you, right? So please don't interrupt other people. Like, don't write anything in my slides. Don't put emotions and everything, please, right? So don't make me sad, guys. I'm here to teach you, right? I want you guys to learn. If you don't like, then I can't say anything. Please don't disturb others. The other people want to do something, want to change a lifestyle of theirs. If you don't want to do that, I'm okay, but don't disturb others, please. Right? Clear? Okay. Let's go. And next, why you need to be a trader? I think most of the things that I have shared earlier, it's here. If you see here, why you need to be a trader, number one, it's a place where a profit potential, meanings you can make, example, you can make compounding, meaning to say when you invest 1,000 rupees, sorry, 1,000 USD. When you invest 1,000 USD, maybe in a month, maybe in 6 months, maybe in what I call in a year, you can make that 1,000 USD into 10,000 USD or even more. If you are a seasoned trader, when you have enough knowledge, when you have what do you call that, you know everything about technicals, you know about how to trade, you know, to control your emotions. The $1,000, you make it into a $10,000 in a day. It's not impossible. I make 10,000 rupees, sorry, $10,000 a day. After 10 years, it took me hard way to learn. It took me very hard way to learn the Forex. I learned from people. I go to, you know, all year, go to classes and blah, blah, blah. Last time I used to pay for my classes. And the classes are very, very, very expensive. Not like now. Right? Another thing is, a good thing about Forex is the flexibility. Me to say, you no need to have, what I call that, to go to work, this and that, nothing. It's a 24 hours market, open in a day. And, you know, you can trade from anywhere. You can trade from your house. You can trade while you are in a holiday. You can trade while you're in an office. Right? And of course, the third one is a global accessibility, which means, as I said, the whole world, it's doing trades. Why not you? Do you think when was Warren Buffett become a billionaire? I think now he already became a trillionaire. When did he become a billionaire? At what age? If he decided to die at that age, he's too long, or what do you call it, too old, and okay, I can't do anything. I know it's time for me to margea or whatever like that. He won't be the richest man in the world today. What happened to the KFC, the Colonel? He made it when he was 80, I can't remember, I think 90 or 80 years old. And until now, we are eating KFC. If we don't create that, what will happen to others? We will never have a chance to eat it. Right? So, the fourth one will be learning opportunities. For those who are interested in finance and economics, meaning now every single human being needs finance to survive, meaning every human being needs money to survive. That is a fact of the world. Whether you like it or you don't like it, that is a fact. You have no money, nobody gonna respect you. If you have a lot of money, from nowhere, people will come and preach you. That's a fact, right? You agree with me, right? So, and the last one, the Forex market is highly liquid, meaning to say, you decide where to enter and where to exit. You decide, I want to enter in the morning, I want to exit in the evening, or I want to enter today, I want to exit next month. It's up to you. The liquidity is on your hand. You know, to give to another third party to do it. As I know, from my friends in India, from my students from India, what they have teach me, what they have shared with me, that there are so many scammers in there. It's not about in India, everywhere. There are so many scammers who want your money. What they will do, they say, come, I have 5 years or 6 years trading experience. I trade for you. Give your money to me. I trade for you. End of the day, first month, they give you an interest. Wow, very good interest. Second month, he still gives you some money. Third month, you have to find him because he already disappeared. I think you go to YouTube or wherever you check, this is what happens. Why you need to give your money to the third party when you can trade yourself, when you have a proper education with you. Do you agree with me? If you agree, type 1. Give me a break. I want to drink water. Good. Are you clear so far? Whatever I explained to you, are you clear? Are you clear? If you are clear, please type 2. So far, are you clear? Just type 2. I want to know how many of you understand. That's great. That's great. That's great. Okay, that's great. So many answers. Good, good, good. I'm happy you are with me. I'm really, really happy because you are focusing on me. You are focusing on what I'm saying. And don't worry, we go for next slide. And so many things are waited for you. I'm guaranteed those who are waited here, end of this life, you will get something, right? Okay, next. Okay, what you need to be a trader? Have you ever think, okay, I want to be a trader. Okay, I want to be a trader, but what do you need? Okay, number 1, what you need is simple as that. You need smart devices. You need a phone, mobile phone, tab, laptops, MacBook, tablets, even a PC. If you have these devices, either one, you can start trade. And of course, what you need? You need internet, right? You need internet. Of course, you need internet. The world runs with internet, right? And of course, you need a capital. Nothing is free in this world. Even a bhaiya who sells a pani puri in the roadside, right? You want to buy who sell a pani puri roadside. He needs a capital to buy all his things to sell. He buy for 10 rupees and he sell for 20 rupees. That is business, right? Even in trading, you must have your capitals. All this I will share with you later, guys. Okay. And of course, the most important, when you have phone, when you have internet, when you have money to invest, but you don't have knowledge, then no point you trade. No point you trade. Without knowledge, it's nothing. Am I right? Without knowledge, you can't do anything. And the last, not the least, you must have Santha Indicator, whereby it's easy for you to do the mapping. You do not spend whole day. Okay, I give a small story, but I did back few years back. Every morning when I go to work, I open my PC, I open my, what do you call that? My PC, I open my chart, right? So I spend almost 2 hours, 3 hours in a day to do a mapping for one entry. 2 to 3 hours for one entry. And how many I can trade a day? Maybe 2 or 3. That's all. But years by year, years by year, when I have a friend who is a web developer, who is a very expert in IT, experts in what do you call that? In what do you call the coding and all this, because I'm not an IT guy, so I can't, I don't know the deal. the fact or the terms to call it, right? So when I'm a friends, when I talk to them, I ask the help. So it took me many years to create this indicator. Once it's great, it took me another 2 to 3 years to run it, to see the success rate. If you don't believe, my indicator, Santha Indicator, gives about 80 to 90% of profits. You don't believe? Go a week before of my performance and check. Even another week before, go and check. How many SLs? How many TPs? I never say I don't have SLs. I do have SLs. I do have losses, but my losses are smaller. My profits are bigger than my losses. Okay? So next. These are the most common terms that you should understand. I think I got those who are newbie or zero knowledge with the trading, I think you guys should take note of this. Okay, this is normally, I think, even in my in our Telegram group, I always share this, right? So take TP. What is TP? TP means take your profit, collect your profits. Stop loss means you cut your losses. Okay, in detail, I will share you in next slides, right? So I'm just giving head ups now. So in detail, I'll be giving you a single, don't worry, every single things I'm sharing here today, you will get the answer. And toward the end, we also have some Q&A session. Those you don't understand, then you can ask me. Okay, somebody asked me, do you know Hindi? Little. I'm an Indian, so little. Okay, back to this. So those who know about this, very good. Let's go for those who are newbie, right? We need to teach them also, right? So just give them some space. Okay, TP means take profits. SL means stop loss, means you cut your losses. Break even means you stop your losses with a smaller profits. You understand? I repeat it again, you stop your losses with small profits. That is what we call break even. Later, I tell you what is break even in the picture, so you will understand, right? And the last one, the word that many people hate, and I don't want to hear about it, which is margin call, MC. MC is not medical certificate. It is margin call. Margin call means whatever deposit you have put in, you trade wrongly, you never follow the SOP that I have teach you, you trade like what your heart says, and your account blows. Zero money in your bank. That is what called margin call. MC, which is I never ever wanted to hear in my circle, right? So next, time frame. Time frame is very, very important in trading. It determines your setups and strategy. That is time frame. And of course, the next one will be lot sizes. Lot sizes means, or depending on your, what do you call that, on your capital and how much lot size that you're going to put to trade of the day. Okay, that's what. Remember, lot size means depending on your capital and how much you want to put in your lot to trade. That is what we call it, lot size. And of course, another one is margin. Margin stands for, meaning is defined of, what to say, when you have $1,000 in your account, you trade with, example, 0.05 cent. Okay, you trade with 0.05 cent, and it running on the losses. Maybe we don't say losses, it's say floating. It's floats, right? It goes on negative and all that, right? So when you have $1,000, when you put 0.5 cent, you entry, and it's float about 5 pips, then your money will be decreasing. And therefore margin, where you can add another lot to support your float. So that's called margin. So you should know your margin. Next slide is there. Don't worry, right? Not to worry. And of course, leverage. So leverage is similar like how to say it's about leverage, about margin. Later, I will explain to you in detail what is margin, what is leverage, and of course, what is spread. Okay, what is spread? Okay, spread is the difference between asking price and bidding price. There are two things. One is ask price, what is bidding price. So they always have a gap. In that gaps, it's called spread. This is very, very important when you choose your broker, because some broker make money from spread, right? So you got to know all this. So this is very, very important education for you guys. Fine. So we go for the next slide. Now we go for knowledge. Before you enter to the knowledge, anyone have any questions? Maybe you can type. I give you about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. You can ask me a question. Hi, Bharat. You can ask me a question. I can give you a quick answer, or if I can't answer you later, I will write it down. I will answer you later. Any questions? You have any questions? Come on. Right. What is the minimum amount to start Forex trading? Which broker is the best, sir? Okay. How much money we can gain? Okay, now it's okay. Okay, fine. No worries, guys. Every single question you ask now, I will answer you before I end the session. This is very interesting. You ask any fee for after this for trading? No, guys. This is 100% free. For my VIP circles, if you join my VIP circles, it's 100% free. After this, all my Zoom session, my classes is only for my circle, not for the public. I want to focus those who are really want to study, learn about Forex. Free, guys, free. Don't worry, it's free, free. Okay. I think I heard because I lost so much money by scammer. I told you earlier. I told you why you want to give money to third party to trade. You can trade yourself. I will teach you how. You can. I will have my broker. All right, which I've been trading for many years. Even now, I can even show you how much I withdraw today. I just now before I start my Zoom, I withdraw today's salary, which is not much. I just take about $250. I think $260. I withdraw my money today to spend for tomorrow or this weekend. I withdraw within 5 minutes. I got my money. It takes some time, but it takes about 5 minutes to verify your account, everything. Is it you going to withdraw the money? My broker will verify. After verify, what they do, they dispense the money to you. That's fast. Don't worry, broker, later. We go for education first. Okay, we go for education. No worries, guys. Follow me. You will gain back your money. I assure you that. You follow my SOP 100%, you can get your money. Whatever you lost is fine. Make it like you donate to them. You can earn your money now. We start new. We can do it new. Right? Great. Can anyone? Is it my mic is okay? Everyone can hear me? Okay, if you all can hear me, type 1, please. Somebody said we can't hear me. Okay, let me write down all those questions later. Toward the end, I will answer your question. Don't worry. Right. Your voice breaks in between. Is it okay now, guys? Is everyone can hear me? Same. Hello. If everyone okay, please type one. Type one if okay. One is okay. My voice is clear. Type one. All right. I think some of you, I think better check your connection, whether it's okay or not. Please don't move around. If you drive, I forgot to say this. If you are driving, if you're riding on a bike, please stop. Please stop. Focus on the class. You can't be focusing on road and my class. No. Please focus on the class. Right. Let's go dive into knowledge. What is knowledge you need to have? The most important things in trading, you should have this knowledge before you start to trade. You must know what time should I trade. You can't be like, I wake up, I come, open my PC or open my phone. I feel like, okay, I want to trade. No, this is not a gambling. This is not gambling. This is business. This is my business. I never take it playful. I take it 100% serious. That's why some of my students today, they are success. They are yet to be a millionaire, but they living in an easy life. Later on, I will ask my students to share with you guys in our upcoming Zoom session and everything, how much they train, how long they have been trading with me, how is my teaching and everything, right? Okay. As I said, the Forex market opens 24 hours a day. So you must determine which pair that you want to trade. That is most important. Which pair that you want to trade, that is important. So when you trade, it must align to the time zone. Earlier, I have said we have UK session, we have so many other sessions, right? Right. So, so you must follow to be aligned on that currencies when you trade. If you want to trade USD, so it's better to trade in US session. You want to trade with European dollars, then you must trade during the UK session. That is important. And you must know what time starts when and what zone ends when. That is very important. I got a question here. If you're not charging any money, why are you doing this for free for students? Okay. See, I don't need your money. I don't need your money. Okay. Okay. Why I'm doing this? Because I want people to grow. Okay, let me explain this. When I start trade, all of you know during the Zoom, during the, what they call that, lockdown session, right? During the lockdown session, I help what I can, right? So nothing much, nothing big, but I did help some people. And I did see how many people are starving, can't do anything. They can't go out, they can't earn money, lose jobs, no money. They kill themselves, they suicide. You know, right? You know. I did my best. I give some food. I don't buy, I never give money, okay? But I did some good deeds, which I give them some groceries. I even sent to India, I even sent to Malaysia. I did everything, small things. But when I see that I have an idea, I want to help people. I want to help some people to make money online. So previously, before this, I'm charging students for my classes. I just open my own classes. I have my own institution. I teach my students to earn money and everything. When they do, they need help for few people. At one point, I don't need the money because I earn money from my Forex. Why need I still need your money? I earning my money every day from my Forex, as you see. Right? So why I'm doing this? Because I have an aim in my life. See, I want the aim in my life. I want to be one of the successful trader in the world. So for me to become a successful trader in the world, I need to create so many traders to become a successful. That is only my motive. I hope I answered your question. Right? So next, we go for this. I think you have a question. If you have a question, I think I will ask you. Then you can ask me because it's interrupt other people. I'm sorry, guys. So let's go for this. Did anyone unmute? All right, someone is. I think they forgot to mute. Okay, fine. So hope I answered. I answered your questions. And let's go for the knowledge. As I told you, so you must determine your time and which pairs should trade when you involve that money, that trades. Okay, but how? There are so many traders in this world. They have each styles of trading, right? They do scalping. I'm a scalper and I also a swing trader. Okay, before that, I let you know this. Scalping means the one we are doing daily, which is we're looking at a shorter time frame. We get a profit within that short time period, within a day. That's called scalping. We go for the smaller profits, which is how to say, we take the opportunity in the market. There are big giant trader in this Forex world, very big, like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, and so many big companies. Those are big giant traders. We are ants. Even though we are like this, but we are still ants. So when we are the ants, what you must do when you want to profit ourselves, simple. We find the opportunity. We always need opportunity, right? So when we see an opportunity, we grab the opportunity. That's what we call scalping trader. Shorter period, a shorter, what they call that, a shorter profit, we exit the market. As you see, we always go for 20, for 40 pips. That's it. 20 to 40 pips, we exit, we get our profit, get out of the market, wait for the next opportunity. The next one is day trading. Day trading is like positions are open and closed within the day. Maybe they will start to do the mapping during maybe an Asian session, which is in the morning, right? Asian session in the morning, they will enter to the market and they will exit to the market towards the end, which is US session. Understand? That is called a day trading. And swing trading. Okay, swing trading is another type of trading where they will only trade using high resistance and high supports, which means they trade when the chart is either on the top or towards the lowest, and they trade when they trade swings means they hold the position for even 3 to 1 weeks. That is what swing trading. Even some swing tradings, even they will wait up to months to collect their profits. Excuse me, guys. I want to drink water. Next, other types of traders. we have trend trading. Trend trader means they will look the opportunity on the trend, the market trend. Whether they will see, okay, in this market, there's only three trends: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. So they will look at the market, what are the trends are going, which is quite risky, but some people makes money from that, right? So I does that sometimes, but I don't really focusing on trend trading, which is you see, each trader have their own style of trading, right? So I am a swing trader, I'm a scalping trader. I don't want to mix everything together, and end of the day I fail. No, I want to be a masterpiece, and I choose two. That is scalping, and that is my swing trading. That's enough for me. I still make my money. I don't want to confuse myself. Same goes to you. When you are a seasoned trader, you've been trading like 30 years, 40 years, and sometimes you look at the trend trading is normally traded by the bankers, big giants. They have a lot of big capitals in their money, right? They got very big capital in the money, and they will go for the trend trading, and they make huge money over there. That's why bank pays you interest. Actually, they earn a lot of money. They use your money to trade. After they trade, they give you a little bit of your interest. The rest, they keep it. That's why the bankers are very rich. This is a fact, right? And the last one is the position trading. Position trading, sometimes, I think I have a friend, and I would say he is a trader as well. He's my senior. I got to know how to trade and everything from him last time. And he is a position trading. He is a position trader where when he entered the markets on January, right? I entry in January, he will exit on December, which is 1 year. That is what we call position trading. Long journey, because he got huge capitals. You can wait, you can stand the float, you can bear the float, because when you open your account, it looks red, your eyes also red, your heart also red. So some people, newbie, your 1-2 years experience in trading, I say no, don't do this. Get experience, get to know. Even I got 10 years experience, I don't trade position trading. Right? So as I said, I'm just mastering in other parts, not here. Guys, I don't understand Hindi, so a little bit I can understand, but not really fluent. So kindly, please, if you want to ask me a question, please ask me in English, please. Right? Because I think so many people are asking me questions, but I don't know. I can't answer you directly, right? Okay, good. Next. What is Forex pair? As I said, what is Forex pair means what pair do you have and you want to trade with another pair. As I said earlier, when you want to go for holiday, you go for money changer, you got your rupees with you, and you trade with USD, and you trade with European pounds. That is what Forex pair. Two currencies. You trade with these two currencies. I trade with my USD to rupees or rupees to USD. That is what Forex pair. The most common, the most famous, I would say, the most currencies that traded against each other these are the what do you call that, pairs, which is Euro USD, which is European pounds against US dollar against Japanese yen, British pounds against what do you call that, US dollar. And of course, the most favorite is my favorite, gold against US dollar, which is XAUUSD. We always use the short term, like European, we can't be telling European. So we say EUR versus USD. Or even a short form is EU. EU means European dollar versus, against USD. Or GU. GU means Great Britain pounds against US dollar. Short form GU. Or US dollar against Japanese yen, we say it UJ. Short form. Sometimes I will always use this kind of short forms. So why I'm telling this to you, because I need you to understand. When I say GU means, you should know, oh, GU means Santha means great GBP was against USD. You must know that, right? And of course, the last one is always we trade, you can see, which is XAUUSD, or short form, we can call it XU, which is gold. Why we trade golds, why we love to trade golds, because the volatility is very good. The pips calculations are very good. And the reward is very good. And of course, the risk also is very high. But when you are in the right position, you make your money. You have seen my signals in gold. How many days I hit my SL? You have seen that. If I never show you anything, maybe I can lie to you. But you are seeing that every day, right? How many pairs I'm trading, and how many, what do you call that? Your voice is very low. Is it okay, guys? Hello? Can you hear me now? Hello? Okay, the others, please. Can you guys hear me clearly? Okay, great. Because sometimes I just block my mic, Fine. So as I said, these are the currencies that we are trading. Okay, next. So maybe you can just take a print screen, or maybe you can just write down. I think you don't have time to write down, right? Maybe you can just take a print screen of this. These are the pairs that most commonly which we are using. Okay, so next. This is very important in Forex, because this determines your profits and losses. I think when you buy shares, stock market, also people say you buy in lot or in points, in something like that, right? So in Forex, we have two. Remember, we have two. We have points, we have pips. Okay, we have two. Example, what is pips and lot size in Forex? A pips in Forex is usually a one-digit movement. Example, the chart is moving, right? So from year to year, that's considered one pip. If you move to, that's why I always say in my what I call that, in our signal, right? I always say, okay, take profit for 20 pips, take profit for 40 pips, take SL for 20 pips. Your risk is 60 pips, something like that. There's a calculation. So with the calculation, you know how much your deposit you have put in and how much reward you will get. This determine that. How to calculate pips. Okay, example, I give you one example here. If you look at here, it's Euro USD, right? Maybe this is the current price. Okay, the price here, 1.35361, is the Euro versus USD price. If you change your Euro to USD, 1.35, example like that. That's the difference between these two, what I call that, currencies. Example, how to calculate your pips is for currencies. Okay, this is for currencies, and gold is different way to calculate. This is for all the currencies. For all the currencies, if you see the second from the last, which is I highlighted in yellow, right? That is 1 pip. If you see, I just take the shortcut one, 5361 to 5371 is 1 pips. Understand? If 5361 to 5471 is how many? Is about 100 pips. Sorry, 10 pips. Understand? So later in our circle, I will explain to you in detail. Don't worry. Okay. I also will share how to calculate pips and everything. Or even I think I have in my next slide. There you go. How to convert pips to points. Remember, 1 pips equivalent to 10 points. 1 pips equivalent to 10 points. Meaning 10 pips equivalent to 100 points. 100 pips equivalent to 1000 points. That's how it calculated. Okay, example, I give you another one. Buy or sell. Okay, buy or sell. We take it as a buy. Okay, you buy gold. Okay, you buy gold at just say the current price is at 1750. You buy and you close it at 1752. If you look at the last number from 0 to 2, you make 20 pips. Okay, let's make 20 pips. 20 pips equivalent to how many points? Anyone can answer me? 20 pips equivalent to how many points? Great. 200. The answer is 200. That's great. That's great. Very good. Exactly. 20 pips equivalent to 200 points. Why I say points? Because your money calculate in points. Right? Because you calculate the difference in the candlestick according to pips. And when you want to calculate your money, then you have to calculate in points. Okay? Example, I give you another example. If you look at below here. Example, if you buy gold, XAU USD gold at 170 and take profits at 1972, which is 20 pips, right? Okay, 20 pips, you enter with one lot, which is 0.02. You enter with 0.02 lot, one position, one entry. If your entry hit TP, you will earn $4. 0.02 lots. How I got it? I say it is 200 points, right? So 0.02 multiplied by 200 is how much? Can anyone answer me? 0.02 multiplied by 200 points. $4 exactly. How much is $4 in rupees? 330 rupees. Just like that. Imagine you have a good capital, you entered with 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 layers, properly layered, and you hit your TP for 20 pips. Maybe you make about $16. $16 is how much? Right? Okay. Next. We go for next, right? Hope you understand on this. Okay. This is what we call as types of charts. Okay, these is types of charts. Okay, we got bar chart, we got line chart, we got candlesticks. We have 3 different candles or types of charts in the trading view. Later, I tell you what is trading view. Okay. Next. Right. So let's go for the trend market, the pattern of candlesticks. Normally, I will look at a line chart, or I will look at my candlesticks, which is easier for me to determine, right? Even in my indicator, it's easy for you to what do you call that, to get it. Okay, the strategy. Okay, fine. Next, I think the first one is called as a bullish. Whatever candlestick that goes up is called as a bullish. And if you see the trend means, you know what is trend, right? This continuously, the candlestick is going up, then is a uptrend, is going up, is uptrend. Same goes to the next one, bearish. Bearish means whatever that goes down. One candle is down, red color down, that called bullish. And the downs continuously going down. That is downtrend. The third one, the market movement is not so good. Sometimes you can see that I will give you a video that I'm telling today the market is not so good, market moving very slow. Because why? It never gives me any answer to trade, because it goes sideways. You just go one way. As you see in the third chart. Right? You give me a minute. Okay. As you see over here now, I'm giving you the basic of Forex. Those who are newbie, those who are, what do you call that? Those who are newbie, those who are zero knowledge, I'm teaching you now. So now I'm going for the seasoned trader. You will know what I'm telling you now. So I can be jumping on the third chapter before I tell you about first and second chapter, right? Other people will get confused. I want to be fair to everyone here. So the patient game is very good, very, very important over here, right? I never take much time of you. I just need about 1 hour maximum, then we are done, right? So let's go. Advanced. This is advanced, which are the trader must know. Example, this is time frame. Each time frame determines a different, so what do you call that, setups of trading. Okay, time frames are crucial in Forex trading because they determine how you analyze and trade the market. It's your choice whether you want to be, as earlier I say, they are for pattern or types of traders, swing, scalper, timing and everything, right? So they base on this time frame. They don't go, each trader have their own time frame to trade. As like me, we will, because we are a scalper, we go for the minimum, a smaller time frame to a medium time frame. As a reference, we will go for the bigger time frame. That's one, right? Next, in Forex, which is very, very important. Okay, remember, this is the parents. This is the father and mother. This is the father and mother of Forex. Always remember, people may come and tell you, I got this technique, I got this technique, I got this, blah, 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 I got special this, I got special this, blah, 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 blah. Ended up, this is the parents. This is a mother and father, which is support and resistance. The market flows depending on the resistance and depending on the support. That's all. Right? Okay, next. Are you guys a little bit confusing what I say earlier? Right? A bit confusing on what I have traded. Wow, the chart looks so many candles, goes up, goes down. We don't know what the candle is saying, everything, right? Simple. I tell you, I'm introducing to you my indicator. Okay, this is Santha Indicator. Let's go. Give me a minute. One minute, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, can you guys see my indicator? If you all can see, press type 1. Right. Okay, this is my indicator. Okay, today, earlier I give you buy. Am I right? I give you a buy signal. And did you see what the market is doing now? Can you see here? And I can share with you. This is a strong entry to sell, right? So let's hide this. This is what we call as a naked chart. Anyone knows? Okay, take out everything now. Anyone knows what the market gonna do now? If no, press 1. Don't know, press 2. This at once, right? This determine your one. You don't know what the market gonna do. This is my naked chart. If you open a chart, daily chart, this one will looks like. Okay, some say need to look overall picture. That's good. That's nice. That's great. Some seasoned traders, what they will do, they have to come, sit here. As I said, what they will do, they will check on the time frame. Did you see here the time frame? Okay, they will check a smaller time frame, a bigger time frame, what market going to happen, right? Exactly, from daily, from H4 to H1 to M15 to M5, what do you call that, M13, all that. You got to look all that, and then you got to decide whether you want to sell it or you want to buy it. How long that will take? That'll take some time. Am I right? But what my indicator will do, because when you say this is a support, this is a resistance, and you must know where the next resistance, right? You must know where the next resistance, what the M30 is selling, what the H4 is doing, what is daily is doing. We got to do some survey. We got to do, so not survey, you got to do some studies first, right? You got to do mapping. They call it mapping. We got to do mapping. What I'm going to do, the market going to do now, right? And of course, earlier I've shared, you got to know what the important news that involving today's market. That's all involved. It's not only you see, oh, I want to sell. Oh, I want to buy. No. This, again, I'm telling, this is not gambling. This is business. When you want to do business, you must have a proper education on this. Example come. I introduce you my indicator. What my indicator does is it will tells you, gives you a line where to buy, where to sell, and where is the rejection. Is that easy? You buy, you sell with indicator means the market, my indicator will tells you, okay, when you open it, my indicator, you know the answer. You do not need to do your mapping. You do not do a smaller time frame, bigger time frame. No. Go in, study the market gonna do. Okay, now we are nearing to the strong entry. Means you can sell. If no, maybe you might sell now. This is early. This might be early to sell. If you have a bigger capital money, then your money can float. If the newbie, the new trader who have a smaller capital to trade, their account won't stand to to load or the bad what do you call that, the floating over here. So my indicator says where to sell, where to buy. Example, earlier before this I bought. I have given you a buy signal. Can you see here? This is low resistance, right? This is low resistance. I asked to buy. And what happened now? Let's see how many pips. 210 pips. 210 pips. 210 pips times how many? I have told you earlier. Anyone can tell me? 210 pips, if you calculate to points, is how much? Anyone can share with me? 2,100 points. 2,100 points if you have entered with 0.02 is how much? Anyone can answer me? 0.02 is how much? It's simple. 2,100 multiplied by 0.02. Your 0.02 can make $42 within 1 to 2 hours. That is my indicator. And it takes me years to create this. Approx 3.5 Indian rupees. Thank you, Piyush. Who want to give you that much of money in an hour? How to earn that much of money in an hour? You tell me. I don't want to spend a lot of times over here because after this, I'm going to have a special session only for how to use my indicator in my circle. Not in public. I'm going to share that in my close VIP signal. I will share to you guys detail how this indicator will works. Show another chart. What do you mean? I don't understand you. Show another chart means what? You mean another pair? You want me to show another pair. Which pair do you want? You tell me. Which pair do you want? Let's go for GU. Is it okay? GU, GBP USD. What do you do? My indicator can use for gold, can use for Ethereum, can use for stock market, can use for crypto, can use for all the currencies. How to read and use Santha Indicator? As I said, I will have another session only for my VIP members. I will take that Zoom session only for indicator, no other thing. Today is a general class. I'm introducing myself, I'm introducing about my indicator and everything. You want to know and learn about this? I will have another class for this. You join me there. I teach you everything. Remember, guys, I know you are very eager to learn. You want everything to be fast. I'm just want to tell you, nothing is fast. You got to be patient. You cannot be a millionaire tomorrow. It will take times, at least 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. It's a journey. Trading is a journey. It's not a gambling where today you trade, tomorrow become a millionaire. Someone will say, okay, you give me 100,000 rupees. Tomorrow I'll make it 1 million, 1 crore rupees. Bullshit. I'm sorry for my word, but that's really a bullshit. No such thing. Trading is a journey. You want to get it? Join me in my class. Right? Got it? We go for next. Okay. Can you see my slides now? Can you see my slide now? Press 1. Okay, remember, even my VIP class is free. Okay, my VIP class is free, no payment. I assure you, not even a single cent that you're going to pay me. Not even a single cent you're going to pay me. No. Okay? I will tell you later, guys, how to get into my VIP signal, VIP channel. Don't worry. I will share with you later. Okay, for those beginners, this is for beginners. This is how you buy. Okay, when you have apps, later I tell you what apps you should have. They call it a Meta Trader 4. Okay, it's called MT4. When you have MT4, when you install it, then it will appear like this. So when it appear, you can just buy here. If I say buy now, then it's buy now. Okay, if I say sell now, then you sell now. This is the button that you should press, right? For the newbies. And also set TP. If you see every single signal that I'm sharing with you, I always share my profit and losses, where to set my profit and losses. So when I put the number, then you should put it here, your profit. After you buy, and then you should edit your number, your TP here. Same goes to SL. Each and every, what do you call that? Each, you're still on, oh, guys, sorry. Can you see now? All right, great. Okay, before that, don't mind, suppose you give 10 signals, in how many setups can be failed somehow? That one nobody can tell, because I'm not the market mover. If I'm the market mover, the 10 signals I'm giving you, I'll give you all profits. I'll make sure everybody will become rich, because I'm not a market mover. This based on my technical, this based on my indicator, what it says, and then I'm sharing it to you. Okay, so the win rate, as I said, my personal win rate in my channel, as you see, why am I sharing my weekly performance to you? You can see that my win rate 80% and above. I can daily, or I can bravely say that my winning rate is 80%. I never hide anything in our Telegram group. Am I right? I share my profits. I share my signals. I share my weekly performance. how many pips I earn. Can you see now? Am I showing that? Okay, you can see that, right? In my Telegram group, I'm giving you weekly performance. Maybe for this the last 5 days straight, I will give you my weekly performance by Sunday or Monday morning. I will share it to you. And you can see how many SLs I have. This week, can anyone find any SL? I can't remember. I can't remember. Is there any SL? I can't remember. Very less. I don't say I am a legit, I am 100% a pro trader. No. I do have losses, but I counter my losses with my recovery. When I give you a loss, definitely I give you a recovery. Remember, guys, winning and losing is not about signals. It's about emotion. Traders, emotion. Remember. Okay. Let's go for another. Excuse me. I repeat this again. Those who are newbies, the seasoned trader, please stay calm, right? Stay with me, right? Okay. This for the newbie. This for the newbie. Okay. Newbie, this is how you should buy. When you install your MetaTrader 4, MT4, the apps, even you can use a web version, or even you can use in your iPad or in mobile. Okay. So when you have it, when I say buy, then you buy. You press the buy button here. When I say sell, then you go here and you sell it. Okay. Each signal I'm sharing to you, I always said my TP, I always gives you my gives you what do you call that, the SL, right? So there is it. Always key in your TP, the number I'm giving you, just copy and paste it there. Simple as that. The newbie. Okay, how to set SL? Same goes to you. This is how to follow my signal, right? So when I say gold buy now, the zone is 1955 to 1952, 30 pips zone. The first TP is 1957. So when you buy, when the range come to the zone, the price come to the zone, then you click buy. When you click buy, the what do you call that? The trade will run. Once you run, you click there, you edit, then you set your TP, you set your SL. Understand? Newbies, take this note. Risk management, the most important in trading. My understanding, the people who teach me, my mentor, and my whoever that used to be my trainer, okay, this is what I understand. 70% of trading is your emotion. 30% is your technical. That's how it works. Okay, what is risk management? Always remember this. People, traders fail because of this. Traders fail because of this. Why? They don't follow the SOPs. So what you must do, follow this 3E, which is created by me. When you entry, always entry within the zone I'm giving to you. Second, exit, always set TP and SL. Don't leave it open, because we never know what will going to happen to the markets, right? And the third one, the expectation. The expectation, when you trade, every single trader, you should only have 4 thinking. When you enter, you should have 4 thinking. Number one, either you're going to win small, you're going to win big, you're going to set break even. Remember what is break even? And the fourth one is you have small losses, not MC, not big, losses. Set these three. You don't set these three. You talk how big, you say, I'm good at that, I'm good at this, I can do wonders, this and that. You become a failure. I'm telling you through my experience. Right? Next. Risk management. You must know your risk, meaning when you have a certain capital, risk management is a number game. Yes. When you have a certain capital, I give you an example of $1,000. When you have a $1,000, your risk should be nothing more than 10% per trade. Okay, I think Priyush Raj, I will share with you later, right? So let me go through one by one. I got the answer. Don't worry. Okay, remember this. You got 1,000 ringgit capital. Your risk should be never exceeded than 10%. Then you become a trader. As I told you, today you trade, tomorrow become a millionaire. No, this is business. You have to grow. It's a journey, one by day, months by months, year by years. At one point, you will make your millions. Okay, next. Money management. Okay, money management is very, very important, where you got to manage money effectively. You should know your risk. You should know your capital is how much risk that you got to take today for today's trade. If you're not willing to take risk today, don't trade for the day. Next, you must always looking at minimizing loss. Earlier I said, 4 thinking, big loss, big win, small win, break even, last one, small losses. Not big losses, biggest losses, MC, close account, forget Forex. No. Understand? Next, maximizing your profits. So grow your account. How to grow your account? You should have your SOP. When you work for somebody, when you work for any organization, they got milestones. They got future plans. They got SOP. You should come at this time. You should go back at this time. This is your lunch hour. From this time to this time, you got to do this, right? And you got to do this here as well. I will share with you guys. Don't worry, be patient. The last one is always have a mindset. I must grow my money that I have invested. It's not about the money that I invested. No matter what, it's okay, fine. It's not like that. You must always have a businessman mindset when you come for the Forex trading. Right? Example, this is money management, as I said. When you got $380, your balance, and you have traded with 0.02, and now this is what I call it earlier as a floating. Floating means it's running. The order is running. Haven't hit your TP yet, but it's still running in floating. This is what we call floating. Okay? The amount that you trade, when you put it there, shouldn't exceed 10% of your capital. That's what I mean earlier. Okay? Good. Next. This is always the same thing that I said, because always remember, in the world of trading, no days are sunny, meaning to say, we are not going to make profit every day. They are bad days. They are good days. But how we control our emotion, how it is on our hand, not in other people's hand. It's on you. It's you. Right? Set your maximum loss, as I said, set your maximum loss to only 10% from your capital. because the survival period is longer and you can learn. Even now, even I have so many years of experience, I'm still learning about Forex daily. I still get new information, new education about Forex till now. So bear that in mind. I give you a small risk and reward, how to grow your account. Okay, how to grow your account. This is what to grow your account, right? When you have $1,000 in your risk, in your capital, the maximum risk I'm giving you not even 10%, but now I'm giving you an example for 5%. Okay, risk per trade, if $1,000 is a capital, times 5% is $50. Am I right? $50. You must, that day, if you make loss, nothing more than $50. That's what I mean here. The lot size with 0.05 with 5 positions, different positions, and stop loss is 20 pips. If hit SL, you will only lose 50 ringgit. Sorry, $50. That's why you're going to make. And look at here. Day 1, you lose. Day 2, you lose. Day 3, you still lose. Day 4, you still lose. Example I'm giving you. And how much you can trade. Example, if you don't follow your risk and reward, your SOP, you never take your risk, maybe you put 50% risk, what will happen? On the third day, you will have zero money in your account, your $1,000 will go off. You give donations. So this is why the money management, the risk reward is very, very important, right? Next, I talk about SL. Let's go for positive one. How to make money. Listen to what? Same thing. Capital is $1,000. Your trade is 5% and $50 per day. When you trade with 0.05, same 5 position, TP is 20 pips and hit TP with 25. Why is 25? 0.25 because it's 0.05 times 5. Different layers. Okay, when hit TP $25, how much you earn? On the first day, your balance will be 1050. On the second day, you will double up. On the third day, you will earn more. The fourth day, you will earn more. The fifth day, you will earn more. Meaning, in 5 days, you already get 35% of your capital. So, what I'm trying to say, if you really follow the SOP, if you really follow the terms and conditions that I've set for you, I guided you, you follow that in a month, whatever money that you have invested, I assure you, you can gain back your capital, withdraw the capital, put your another capital there, which is your profit money, then you play and then you grow your account. You double up your account, triple, or I don't know how many times you want to grow it. Some people are worried, my money is there. So grow your account. For the first month, make it double. From $1,000, you make it $2,000. After that, you take out the capital. So now you don't need to worry. You don't have the fear to trade. I got my money back. Now it's my profit money, but I must trade a bit careful because that's my profit. You don't lose, but that's your profit. You want to double up your profit. Then you grow. When you grow your account, if you look at here, when you grow your account, your number of money also will be increasing. Can you see this? For 1,000, you only got 50 USD. But when you get 1050 of your capital, you get 52, meaning $2.50 is extra you're getting. On the third day, you got $5 extra. On the fourth day, 7. You remember even what I mean? When you have a bigger capital, your profit will be higher, bigger. It grows. Okay? This is what we call it compounding. Excuse me. Compounding means you grow your account, you set your target. This is long term. You have to compound. From $1, you make it to $10. How? This is what. You must set your profit target, monthly target. Put a realistic one. Don't simply put, I want 50%, I want 60%. No way. Put a realistic. As I know, you can only grow to 10 to 20% in a month. In a week, you grow to 5 to 10%. In a day, you grow 5 to 10% as well. Okay, as here, look at here. The first month, you got capital of $1,000. And the profit, monthly profit, you go for 200. That month, you got $200 profit. Second month, third month, fourth month. If you realize your $1,000 on the fourth month, you already double up. Even double, more than double. You got your investment money. You got your capital money in the fourth month. And the fifth month onwards is everything is your profits. It's not negative, it's all positive. Follow the SOP. Don't trade, follow your heart. Trade, follow the SOP. This is the most important and the most, I think this is the enemy to everyone, because every trader, this is what will kills you. Emotion. You trade with emotion. You got overconfidence. Sometimes you look at, wow, the graph is going up. I think the graph going to come down. Then you overconfident, you trade. Then you nervous. Second, you nervous. You fear. You greed. This always happen. Greedy. Right? And one more thing is you make decision very fast. You look at the graph. You just open the chart. Then you decide, okay, I want to sell. You just open the chart. Okay, I decide I want to buy. No. Second thing, what you must do is understand your fear. Why you are fearing? You fear of what? Are you facing anything in front? No. I know you're facing your money. But when you have a proper education, proper risk management, you don't need to worry. Third one is overcome greed. You already make today's target. Example, you already make $50 today. And the market is still active. What your mind says, let's go, do it again. Ended up, whatever money in your bank, gone. Sorry, in your account is gone. You lose your money. If you got a $50, hit your target. Example, you set your target for $50 a day, you hit $49. It's enough, it's good enough. Don't think, oh, $1 more, I want to hit my $1 more. Then you go enter. Without knowing anything, you enter the market. Because of that $1, you lose all the $50. This always happens. And the fourth one, always have set rules. I must do this, I shouldn't do this. I must do this, I shouldn't do this. All this, I will get you guys. All this, I will get you. And the last one is flexible and predictable. Okay, what this means is you can't trade as your heart say. I think I want to buy today. I think I want to sell today. No, there is not trade. This is not gambling. This is business. Okay? I know who is this PTP. Don't worry, I'll give you answer shortly. Okay. For those traders, this one you should have in your mindset. How to overcome your emotion. How to overcome emotion. First, we can control the risk, meaning we can control my losses, but I can't control the profits. I never know the profit gonna fly, go to 100 pips, 200 pips like earlier, or just go for 20 pips. That's why I said, exit with proper management. Meaning you should know when to exit the market, when to enter the market. That is very, very, very important. Understand? Next, you must think always when I buy, there's always somebody selling. There's always two-way communication. You must remember in trading, 50% chance in our hand because there's only two way. Either we buy or we sell, right? We buy or we sell. 50% market already in our hand. Either you're going to stay in a right position or against it. That is the decision. And that's why you need education. And that's why you need to control the emotion. Understand? Third one. This is my account and my responsibilities. As I say, this is my business. I'm doing business. Even though you're working now, this is my business. This is my side business. So I must be very careful with my fund. Whatever, even every single cent that going out is my money. Always have that mindset. And of course, greedy, as I said earlier, hit target today, but I still want money. I still want, because tomorrow I want to be a millionaire. Do not have this kind of mindset. If you have this kind of mindset, then you are failed to be a trader. Next, do not trade when you are busy. While you are driving, you are having what do you call that? Family trips. You don't have any plans. You never done any mappings. You never look at my indicator. You're nothing. So all of a sudden, you feel like going to trade. You open it. Okay, I trade now. Okay, go ahead. No. Sit. See the chart. Understand the chart. See the market. And then you trade. Okay? This is very, very, very another important point. When you will have this emotion, when, example, from Monday to Thursday, you're making profits. On Friday, most of you will make big losses. Why? Emotion. You don't accept small losses. Example, for the past 4 days, you make $200. On the Friday morning, you lost about $20. Oh my God, I lost $20. I must gain back these $20. Add up, you lose all the money. So you must accept the losses. When the market gives you 4 days ratio, 4 days profit, 1 day losses, it's a very good already. When you lose today, stop. Think, what will happen to me? Why did I lose? And one more thing is, do not trade according to your mood. Sorry to say, someone have a quarrel with the wife, having a bad day with friends, and then you see the market, you see my signal, come, sell, you also sell. You are not controlling your emotion, you're not controlling your mindset. Because I say buy, you buy. Who knows, one day when I become a billionaire, I will leave it to my team to run the show. And when you want to be your own trader, remember this, guys. Always remember this. Always remember that I want to be my own trade. Even though I'm not around, I go for holiday or whatever. Even I'm not giving you a signal that in the day, you should know to trade yourself with my education, with my knowledge. I'm sharing to you. Okay? And these most common things. People always want to earn money. Even I see in our group here, some people have no patience. They want to earn money, but don't know how. They don't want to learn it properly. They don't want to get the knowledge properly, but they want to earn money. How? Anybody can just give you money like that? No. So some people, what they do, they want to earn money. They follow so many signals. So they follow so many, what I mean is signals means so many other channels. They go here, search, hey, this fellow is doing some trading, let's follow him. This fellow is doing something, let's follow him and do blah, blah. He follows here, blah, blah, blah. Example, you're following like 5 to 6 channels or whatever it is. 2% giving sell, another person selling buy. So what are you going to do? You are in the middle. This guy telling sell. This guy telling buy. Then you buy. Then you lose it. The guy who sell it is having profits. The next day, I want to follow him because yesterday you got profit. Then you follow him. What happened? He lost. This fellow make profit. Where are you? You will be the victim because you have no knowledge. Those who are seasoned trader or start to trade will understand what I'm trying to say now. Okay? Always think what is your mistake. Today I trade, I make loss today. Stop trade. Think what you have done. Did I follow the SOP? I'm guarantee you, when you fail, means you do not follow the SOP. That's why you fail. If you follow the SOP 100%, nobody is gonna lose money. Easy philosophy I'm giving to you. In a month, we trade for 20 days. The market opens for 20 days. In a month, market opens for 20 days. Just say one day you trade 2 signals. One day you trade 2 signals, minimum. I give you a minimum. You follow 2 signals. In a month, 20 days times 2 become 40. Means you do 40 signals. It means you do 40 trades. In 40 trades, example, you say you lose money or you stop loss. You hit SL about 10 to 15 trades. In total, you got 40, you lose in 15. Overall, you win or you lose. If win, press 1. Simple philosophy. You win, right? Yes, you win. Ratio says you win. And how come you can fail? Because you never follow the SOP. That's true. This you should have. Always say to yourself, always have second chance. As even myself, if my signal, my setup hit SL, what I do? I give you a recovery. Either it's instant recovery or I look at something, take some time, and I give you another recovery. Always have second chance. It's not like I lose $20 or market is selling. I lose. Okay, gonna sell again. You lose again. Oh my God, now I think you can sell. I'm gonna sell again. Then you lose again. Because the trend is downtrend. You go sell it. Sorry, when it's uptrend, you sell it. What's gonna happen? You lose your money. This is what always happens. And the last one, I repeated, I think, more than 10 times. Do not follow SOP, Standard Operation Procedure. Wherever you go, even you go to restaurants, the restaurants have SOP. You cannot talk loud. You cannot laugh loud. Am I right? You go to high-class restaurant. Will they allow you to laugh? No. You must be gentle because that's the SOP of the restaurants. You go to any places, if you go to even holiday, if you go to any holiday, if you go to any hotels or you go to any places to visit, they always ask you to follow the SOP. There are some rules, house rules. You're on holiday, man. Why got rules? There is a rules. When you don't have rules, how can you control your emotion? Nobody gonna control your emotion if you don't have what do you call that? Your SOP. Simple as that. Okay, another one. We are towards the end already. Okay. Okay, and then we already what are you need to trade? What do you need for trade? Tools for trade. Example, I'm using a Wise Market broker. Okay, I'm using a Wise Market broker. And of course, we need a MetaTrader 4, MT4 to trade. And last one is a trading view to access for my indicator. These three. Okay. Bonus, this is the end, right? So guys, for those who are here, earlier we got more than 50 people and now we got 30 plus people. That's fine, I'm good because you are here with me. Thanks for waiting for me. So many people asking me which broker are using, are they legit, what are the special things, blah, 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 everything, right? So here it is. This is my broker and I am giving to you specially only for today. Those who are in my webinar, I'm giving this. People may ask, okay, what are you getting? What are you doing? How much money do you want? No, I'm just creating my circle. That's it. What you will get if you trade with me. Example, minimum you must deposit 100. You must register with the Wise Market broker. Once you registered, you deposit yourself. It's not to me. You deposit your capital with minimum of $100. Because why I say $100? $100 is a minimum way to bear your float. Otherwise, it's will be very difficult. And the special thing about today is I am giving you 100% bonus, which means when you deposit $100, your account will be becoming $200. When you have $100 capital, repeating again to you, when you have $100, you will have 100% bonus, means you will have your margin or your liquidity became $200, means you can bear or you can even stand for higher float, even up to 80%. You will never lose your money. Example, some of you overtrade, never follow my my SOP. Okay, never follow my SOP. You trade yourself and then you're losing your $100. Your account will never blow in my broker because my broker will support you up to 80%. Even your money exceeded $100, the float still remains support your account. Nobody does it. You can check. No any broker doing it. Only we are doing it. I mean, my broker are doing it. Okay. What is special for today? Simple. You no need to pay me anything. Not even a single cent you need to pay for me. Nothing. You just got to register to my broker. That's it. After you register your broker, you should PM. Okay, I will shoot you the Santha support admin, so you guys can PM to me. I want to join my what they call them, my VIP circle. Okay, when you join my VIP circle, this is what you will get: 100% bonus. Second, I will give you access to my Santha Indicator future. As I told you, I will teach you personally only on Santha Indicator. Third thing, you get access to my Santha Circle VIP, and then you will get access to all my webinars, special webinar on more on education. Why I choose Wise Market? Earlier, one of the brother asked me which broker are using, which is very good, and blah blah. Right, I've been using this broker more than 6-7 years. Till now, no issue. I never face withdrawal issue. I never face people go, because why I'm telling you to register. Once you register, you can open your own account. You can see your money there. Meaning you manage your risk. You manage your money. You manage your withdrawal. You manage your wallet. Today you make $50 profit. You want to withdraw the money, you can withdraw it yourself. You don't need to ask my permission, Santha, can I withdraw the money? No. But remember, minimum amount should be there is $100, so that you will get all the access to this. Guys, this is a special a bonus I'm going to giving to you only for selected people, this small number of people. You got to take this opportunity. I never ask you a single cent to spend on me, nothing. You want education? This asking to register on my account and you can start trade. Why I choose Wise Market? Because deposit with credit card also can, local bank also you can do that. Of course, the spread is very low. My broker never take a big spread where they take the money from there, nothing. Okay, and of course you get the 100% bonuses. Okay, if we deposit 500, then we get. Okay, Sudhakar, I will PM you privately. Okay, I will PM you privately over this. As I said now, if you want to deposit higher number, you PM me later. I will tell you how it works. But now I'm giving you is $100 you deposit, you will get 100% bonus. Okay, you get me? Okay. Q&A session. We are at the end. Remember, I will share with you guys my support link. You just PM me. Then I will tell you how to register, how to get into my what you call the VIP circles, and how to trade, and I will guide you through that. Okay, guys. I think a PTB. Can you please ask me in English? I don't understand. I don't understand. What I call the Hindi so that much. There you go. You give me a minute. Okay, I have posted you. Guys, you want to join my VIP circle? Click PM, admin Santha, myself today, guys, because it's tonight. Back, this is my office. This is my office. You can see my office. About 20-30 people are working for me for my trades and everything. Today is already night. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna how do you call that? Assist you personally today. I don't want to disturb my admins. I will assist you personally. So you want to get that personal touch with you, you make sure you pay me today. You get? Okay? Any other questions? How much you want money? I don't want your money. I don't want your money. You trade yourself, you deposit it. You deposit to your own account, not my account. You register to my Wise Market, a broker, because you need a broker to trade. You don't have a broker, then you cannot trade. So you deposit the money to your own, to your own account, to the Wise Market account. You deposit money over there. Once you deposit your money there, you can see your wallet. Whatever amount that you have credited will be shown there. From there, you can use MT4, MetaTrader 4. You can trade. If you make profits, the profit, your wallet will be increasing. And maybe a day after or on the same day, you want to withdraw the money, you can withdraw it. Any other question, guys? It's like we are towards the end already. Okay, I just want to share with you. This is how much I withdraw today. The small sharing session, how much I've shared today. So how much today I withdraw my money today. This is my personal account, the one we are always sharing with you guys. So I'm showing you this there. Can you see? Is it focused? It's about $1,300. I also have rate, guys. I'm a normal trader. I also have rates, but I withdraw $1,300 today. One day I withdraw $1,300 for my weekend use. This is my second, third account. Don't worry, later I will share to you. Don't worry. One day you also can earn like that. So guys, come on, please PM me. So we are toward the end of the class today. So those who have waited, I really, really appreciate your time. Your most precious time you spent for me. You're willing to learn. I really appreciate. Come join me for my VIP channel. After you join my VIP channel, then there are a lot of insights. I think more signals I'll be sharing there. After this, I'll be giving less signals in public channel. I'm going to focus only you. I want to make a small trade group circle. I want to make you success. That's my motive. Any other question, guys? Okay, don't worry. I give you. Don't worry. I have to PM you one by one. So please stay calm. I'm still online here. So there are so many messages are coming into my phone. Thank you. So I will reply you one by one. Okay. So if nothing, then really, really thank you that you are spend your golden times with me to trade. With me to what do you call that, to get more education and everything. So now you know why I say how to get 30,000 rupees in 30 minutes, because this is a mixed crowd. I cannot be doing live sharing. I cannot be doing live trade. Remember, for my VIP circles, I will do live trades where you earn money, I earn money. We earn money together. Isn't it good? So PM me now, and I see you guys. Thank you so much. I see you in my VIP circle. See you. Bye.